Did you know that managers with strong budgeting skills can improve departmental performance by up to 20%? Yet, many managers struggle with effective budget management and analysis. Many organizations face challenges in aligning departmental budgets with overall business objectives and analyzing budget variances effectively. This can lead to resource misallocation, missed financial targets, and difficulty in driving performance improvements. At an individual level, managers may feel uncertain about interpreting financial data and making budget-related decisions. Teams may lack a unified approach to budget management, leading to inconsistencies across departments. This course provides comprehensive training in budget management and analysis skills tailored for managers. It equips participants with the knowledge and tools to create, manage, and analyze budgets effectively. Participants will learn about budget creation techniques, variance analysis, performance measurement, and using budgets as a management tool. They'll also develop skills in communicating financial information, making data-driven decisions, and linking budgets to strategic objectives. For organizations, the impact is significant. They'll see improved alignment of departmental activities with financial goals, better resource allocation, and enhanced ability to identify and address performance issues. This leads to improved financial discipline, more effective decision-making, and better overall organizational performance. On a personal level, participants will gain valuable financial management skills that can boost their managerial effectiveness and career prospects. Teams will benefit from managers who can effectively translate financial goals into operational plans and drive performance improvements. Ready to enhance your financial leadership skills? Don't miss this opportunity to master budget management and analysis techniques. Enroll now and learn to drive your department's financial performance with confidence and precision.